Wait, he's hacking. What are these bombs?
Wait, no, he's a hacker. He's fucking with the game code.
Wait, he was just debating us.
Yeah, he was debating us. I love this guy. Yo, I love
Oh,
this
he's
guy.
actually fucking. Wait, look at these bombs.
I know. Someone squeaking? What are they squeaking about?
No idea.
Well, what if I never escape my pod, bro?
You never play the game.
I like that.
And you're protected though.
What?
I can use you as a shield.
How are you gonna use me as a shield?
In your pod, huh?
Yeah? I like your pods. Alright, let's get this early teleporter on deck. Yeah, we out, boys!
I mean, we have yet to get to stage 3.
No, we got a stage 3, but we didn't beat it. Oh,
Oh.
your boy took like 1,000 fall damage.
I told you, that's my favorite class.
Which one?
The samurai one.
Oh. Oh yeah, you got beat. Oh, you got beat stage 3 without dying, bro.
Oh shit.
I know, dying's your specialty, bro. Bro, that guy's almost dead. Bro, that guy's soaring, bro. What the?
Yeah, it's my favorite class.
Yeah, you like that Gazuko potential. What the fuck?
Oh shit. Where you guys at?
No, I'm trying to find a teleporter. I hear something. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, it's right here. Okay. Oh shit, bro! I'm an ADC now.
What's wrong?
I got 100% crit chance for 8 seconds. Oh fuck, I missed that fucking boost thing. Nope. Where the fuck is this rock thing, bro? Alright, let's get that early. Jeffrey, do you see on your top right, right? It says easy.
Mm-hmm.
I think we gotta find a oh, I found a teleporter. Should we just start it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sooner the better. It's easy right now.
Yeah. Let's start it. Start there. Oh my god, wait, do you see that guy?
I told you.
That shit
were
look
you
mad
not
cool. Oh shit, jellyfish. Activate my cube. Pew! I'm ADC, bitch. Give me that IE, bro. I need that IE in my life. Oh. Pew, pew, pew. Oh, why does... Never mind. Well, this guy's crazy, bro. Wait, Jeffrey, this guy's permanently in the air. Oh. Hello?
You died.
Yeah. I was supposed to look at my health.
You trash, bro.
Hey.
Yo, what's good, bro?
What's up?
Wait.
Wait, you got some... Wait, did you die too?
We should restart, right?
Wait, did you die too?
Yeah.
Wait, no, we get rest after he goes to the teleporter, doesn't we?
I know, but you still died already, though.
Oh, what does dying do? Heard that you beat it yesterday.
Wait, how'd you know?
Wait, what the wait, what's happening to my boy?
He's dead.
No, there's an X on his head.
He disconnected.
Are we out? I like this guy. How do you drop items?
He looks so cool.
How about look like us?
He looks like post-fire Shank.
Oh, he jumped.
Post-fire
Wait,
Shank.
look at him. Look at him.
He's so cool.
Wait, look at him.
He's Master Yi.
Wait, he's a bug, bro.
He's a bot, bro.
Bro, he's actually a bug.
We've been playing with an AI.
He was smashed. Wait, what? Bro,
We've been playing
you
with
still
an AI,
here?
bro. That's creepy.
Bro, yo, you have an X on your head. What? Wait, this guy's hacking. This guy's hacking. I swear to you. We got this, bro. We got this, bro. We got a hacker. No, we can't die. Wait, you died. Well, what's going on? Can you still move? Wait, you're permanently dead. Wait, this guy isn't permanently dead.
Well, he's hacking, bro.
Yo, I swear. Wait, how's he still alive?
That's not fair. His health bar is literally not going down.
Yo, he's not even in the game.
How's he talking to us? Add him to Discord.
What? Okay, I like it. Wait, this guy's soaring, bro. Wait, did you just see that?
He's
What the? Well, why is this guy so fast?
Wait, this guy broke the game, bro.
No, I swear he's fucking hacking. There's no fucking
He's
way.
flying, dude.
He's flying. He's flying everywhere. But he's not killing anything. I don't like that. Help me, bro. Where's the...
I don't think he can.
Can you not hit the... Can you ask him, can he hit the monsters?
Alright.
Well, this guy's actually hacking.
I like that.
Jeffrey, ready up?
What class is he wearing?
No, we got this one. We definitely got this one. We definitely got this one.
Alright. This is my favorite.
Alright, no more fucking around, bro. Alright, we gotta do everything quickly. You know, let this hacker do his shit. Wait, he's alive now.
Yeah,
Wait,
we restarted.
you're alive now. Wait, isn't he bugged though?
Only for that session.
Well, he was bugged for the other session too. Wait, this guy's such a hacker, bro.
I'm not complaining.
Oh yeah, I'm not complaining, but we still got clapped.
I'm loving it, bro.
Yeah, leveled up.
Ba, 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 ba.
Wait, this guy's doing bombs! No, this guy's hacking! This guy's hacking! Look at this guy! Look at this guy! Jeffrey, look at this guy! Come, you gotta look at this guy. You gotta look at this guy. Bro! What the Jeffrey, you gotta come. You have to come. You have to
He's
come.
flying, bro.
Bro, no. Yo, he shoots like 1 billion missiles. Wait, he got the teleport. He's gonna one-shot him.
Wait.
He's gonna one-shot him.
TP to the teleporter, bro.
Wait, do you see him one-shot the boss? Wait, this guy's hacking. No, this guy's hacking.
Wait.
This guy's hacking.
I just saw him fly across to the teleporter. How did he get the teleporter already?
How? Teach me.
Let's get you guys the stuff you need. I love this guy. Wait, he's hacking. What are these bombs?
No, he's a hacker. He's fucking with the game code.
He was just debating us.
Yeah, he was debating us. I love this guy. Yo, I love this
He's
guy.
actually fucking. Wait, look at these bombs.
I know. Wait a second, I love this guy. Well, I actually love this guy. Yo, we got yo, this is some Reddit shit, bro.
Wait, if we expose him, they're gonna patch it up.
I brought him back. Wait, he's back. He's back. He activated teleporter. Yo, watch him one-shot the boss. Where's the boss? Oh, Jeffrey. Jeffrey, did you see that? Jeffrey, did you see that? Bro, Jeffrey, you're muted, by the way. Well, what is this guy doing? Jeffrey?
Fine?
Yeah, what? Oh, you got yeah, hello, hello.
Wait, this guy's legit.
Wait, he just one-shotted the boss, bro.
The boss that took you forever, that you couldn't even kill it.
Yeah. Wait, what? Wait, you died?
Wait, this guy's a... Oh.
Wait, are you alive?
I died.
Wait, can he bring you back alive? I'm pretty sure he can bring you back alive, can't you? Oh, I got a charge and teleporter? Yeah, I'm here.
I'm lagging my dick off.
Wait a second. Wait, do you see these bombs that he's throwing? Wait, he summoned a turret. Well, where is this guy? Let me look at this guy. Wait, wait, he's... Yeah, look at this guy. That's my boy.
Wait, I knew this nigga was up to something before, right?
Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure he wasn't. What?
No, because we were like, oh, it's glitchy, right? He's like, yeah, it's glitchy. And now he just straight up said, oh, I'm hacking.
No, do you know what I saw? So, against the first boss, right? That's why I was playing the ninja class, right? He never came down from the air. He just kept on hitting the boss in the sky. And I was like, you can't do that, can you? Just don't leave the portal yet. What is this guy talking about?
I don't know. What's that thing on your head?
It's equipment. I got it from somewhere. But yo, can this guy heal me? Yo, he achieved flawless. Wait, this guy.
He's so cool, bro.
What do we do? What do we do? Yo, he's fucking with the code right now.
He's gonna bring me back?
I think so. What we do?
Wait, we got lucky, bro.
You should have appeared. You should have appeared, bro. Wait, I got teleported.
Wait, why'd you click it?
I didn't click it, he clicked it. Oh, you're here! Yo, what's up? Wait, I'm gonna follow my boy? What? I not fell!
Oh, no phone.
What? I thought it was him. I wanna see what he does, bro. Wait, this guy...
I'm following.
He's flying, bro. He's goddamn Jesus, bro. You heard he jumped off too. Wait. No, he doesn't die. He doesn't die. You know he been fucking with the corporal. He don't die.
He's so legit, bro.
Bro, he's my boy, bro. Bro, don't worry. He's doing this so then, you know, the guys that make the game, right? They could fix their shit, bro. You know what I mean? We're testing it for them, bro. Look at the boss. Is this the boss?
Imp Overlord. Where's the boss?
Wait, I'm looking at my boy. Oh, he's right there. This is the boss. Wait. Well, he's not one-shotting it, bro. I think he's scaling. I don't think he's scaling anymore.
He one-shot it.
He killed it, but, you know, wasn't as fast as the other ones, bro. Bro, this guy is so fucking strong. Yo, this guy gotta help us kill these monsters.
Yeah,
we ain't strong as him, bro.
Bro.
Chill, fam. We ain't strong as you, bro. Wait, he's not killing them no more. Yo, my boy's not. Wait, my boy's landing us. Oh wait, he just teleported. Oh, yeah, he's fighting now. He's angry. He's angry. He's angry, bro. Oh my god. Wait, I got a fucking dude. What the? Well, my boy's angry, bro. My boy's angry, bro. Wait, fuck these buffaloes, bro. My boy's angry, bro. Don't fuck with me. I'm gonna stand next to these mines, bro. Yo, these mines fucking one shot. Yo, this guy is so clean, bro. Well, where did he go? He ran off.
No, we have to charge the teleporter. Don't wait.
Yeah, but doesn't he need to help us kill some of these monsters, bro? Yo, we're OD legit, bro.
Yeah, I'm getting lit up, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna lit up too. We need that guy to heal us. Wait, we gotta kill these monsters, bro. Why are we not killing them?
I'm 1 HP, bro.
Oh shit, I'll kill him for you. Oh yo, I got the warrior.
What is that?
The new class. Do you get it?
No, I didn't.
Well, I got it. I think it's because you died.
I want to install it. I'm refunding this game.
Shit. This guy's nice. Wait, how do I add you? Oh, what the hell is this? Jeffrey, hello?
What's up?
Look at this map. These maps are mad cool, bro. Wait, he summoned something. This guy's Jeffrey. This guy is soaring, bro. Yo, watch the health bar on the boss. Oh yeah, look, the boss spawned.
Oh.
I think my boy is scaling. What the fuck, bro? Oh, yo, help me kill some of these guys, bro. Wait, he died. Is he actually dead, though? Nah, he's not actually dead. I like this guy. I like how he fucks with the game code. Ah, so this is what happens when you play the game in beta, huh? Wait, it's very hard right now, Jeffrey. Is this the last stage?
Yeah.
Really? I thought there was 5 stages. I'm about to die, B. Wait, you still alive? Oh,
No.
yikes! I thought you pulled off a hack too, and I was like, "You can't tell him to save me." Please, Jeffrey, please.
Oh God, bro.
You're telling him to save me. I'm running in a fucking circle, bro. I'm gonna die. Bro, I can't type fast enough, bro. This guy's gonna fucking one-shot me. Help me, please. Jeffrey, please. Please.
Where is he?
I don't know. Well, he got some turrets. Wait, is that his turrets? Please tell me that's his turrets. Oh, what the fuck is this? Yo, we good? I can't die no more. Yo, no, this guy was just fixing his code, you know? Yo, do you see this shit?